Hey, truck owners, mechanics, and fleet operators. Welcome back to SA Ease with Tech, where we bring you tools that save you time, money, and stress on the road. Let's be honest, replacing pins and bushings on Class 6 to 8 trucks is one of the most frustrating jobs out there. It usually means hours of hammering, heating, fighting with presses, or even sending your rig into the shop and paying hundreds, sometimes thousands, in labor costs. But what if you could do the job in your own shop? Faster, safer, and without all the extra headaches. This is the Tiger Tool Pin and Bushing Starter Kit, engineered specifically for heavy-duty trucks and commercial fleets. Instead of wasting half a day struggling, this kit lets you remove and install pins and bushings quickly, with precision and with minimal effort. Here's why mechanics swear by it. Works with Class 6, 7, and 8 trucks and equipment. Cuts hours of labor into minutes. Heavy-duty construction built to handle the toughest jobs. Saves you shop fees and reduces downtime. That means you get your truck back on the road faster, where it's making money, not sitting in the shop costing you money. Imagine this. Instead of waiting days for a shop to fit you in, you can swap out those worn bushings right in your own garage or fleet yard. That's time saved, money kept in your pocket, and peace of mind knowing the job's done right. If you're tired of fighting with outdated methods and expensive repairs, this Tiger Tool Starter Kit is the smarter long-term solution. Check out the link in the description to grab yours today and keep your trucks rolling instead of stuck in the shop. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tool solutions, and let us know in the comments what job gives you the most headaches in the shop. Until next time, keep wrenching smart, not hard.